finally here. Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Eden. Today's video is going to be for all you girls out there. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Novashine teeth whitening kit. So let's get to open. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's got this cute Novashine tape on it. So now let's rip it open. Oh, well, that was easy. Oh my gosh, there we go. Okay, so whenever you open it, one more time. Oh, this is so cute. This is when you first open it. They leave you this letter in here, and it says, "Thank you. I hope you're as excited as we are to try our product. We would love you to share your experience with us on Instagram. Follow, like, or just say hi. We'd love to hear from you." Oh, so cute. Oh, I've been waiting for this for forever. I actually have pretty white teeth naturally, but everybody's had one. I've been raving about them, so had to get me one. So this is the box. It's so, so cute. Okay, I'm going to open it. Another letter. It says, "Here to a brighter you." I think these are the steps of how to do it. We'll read those in a minute. Then there's these two boxes. Let's get the first one out. I'm gonna have trouble doing this while holding the camera. Oh, look at me. Oh my goodness. Okay. Whenever you open up this first box, it has the teeth whitening gel. This is the actual gel that you put onto it. It looks like a needle, but anyways, this should be fun. Okay, so there's that. And here's the instructions. And then here's the last box. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Ah, y'all, I am so excited. Like, I've been waiting for this to get here. I'm gonna have to pull it. Okay. So whenever you open this up, this is what it looks like. So I'm going to get this out. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so this is a little bag, I take it, that you keep it in after you use it. Yes, and then here's the gel. Oh, wait, and this is also in it. This is what you plug into your phone to plug in to the mouthpiece, which is right there. All right, I'm gonna try it out for you guys. Okay, so first it says, "Before whitening, rinse your mouth or gently brush teeth." So let's go brush some teeth.
Are your teeth for 60 seconds long?
So first step, check. 2, apply whitening gel to the upper and lower walls of the mouthpiece. Do not place gel on the part you bite on. Make sure it is about 1 millimeter thick. You can also apply the whitening gel to your teeth directly by using a swab. I'm gonna apply it on to the mouthpiece. Let's just go to step 3. Place mouthpiece in your mouth and bite down. Okay. Then step 4, you connect USB, one of these, to the mouthpiece. Okay. After these steps, remove the mouthpiece, blah, 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 blah. Okay. It says, "Ideas for even better results. Avoid drinking dark drinks." That's not going to happen because my favorite drink is sweet tea, so sorry guys. Use daily, eat healthy foods, and extend usage time. So for today, I'm going to do it for about 20 minutes, and let's get to it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so here's the tube All right, I'm gonna remove this piece. First though, let's undo this little thingy. Okay. Yo, this mouthpiece looks so cool. All right. Okay, so first, I'm gonna plug this piece in, that's on the end of this, into this. Then plug this into my phone. And automatically when I plug it in, it lights up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm gonna unplug it real quick. Okay. All right, and I'm gonna put the gel on. Lift my glasses up thing. Okay. Then I'm literally not even doing that much gel. My mom just turned on my lamp. I didn't even know it. Okay, this is very hard, guys. No cap. The gel smells amazing. Okay, I have it on both sides. All right, I'm gonna set a timer for 20 minutes. Let's do it. Here we go. Alexa, set a timer for 20 minutes.
20 minutes, starting now.
Okay.
All good boys go to heaven, but bad boys bring heaven to you. It's automatic, it's just what they do. They say all good boys go to heaven, but bad boys bring heaven to you. You don't realize the power they have until they leave you and you want them back. Nothing.
Guys, I'm not showing y'all my teeth, but I just took them off. They look so good. Okay, I'm about to show y'all. Ready? Oh my gosh. It actually works. Y'all, it works. It works. It works. Okay? Go get y'all one. I'll leave the website in the description down below. Go get y'all one today. It's great. Like, look. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Okay guys, so this is going to be the end of my video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and hit that bell for all your notifications for my videos. And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. Got some awesome videos coming out soon, and I really think y'all are going to enjoy them. So I'll see y'all next time. Bye.